A few weeks ago, a driver pulled into my garage with a premium German car. Clean paint, smooth engine, everything perfect. Except one thing. The headlights looked like they belonged to a 20-year-old junk car. He told me he was thinking about replacing them, and when I checked the price, it was over $600 for a pair. That's when I stopped him and said, "Give me 10 minutes." What I showed him is a simple German-style trick that costs almost nothing. But the results shocked him. Within minutes, those cloudy headlights started clearing up right in front of his eyes. But here is the truth most YouTube videos won't tell you. This trick works only if you understand the science behind it. If you do it wrong, you can permanently damage your headlights. So in this video, I am not just showing you the trick. I am showing you how to do it like a professional. But first, let's talk. Why headlights get foggy? The real problem. Most drivers think foggy headlights are caused by dirt or poor cleaning, but that's completely wrong. Modern headlights are made from polycarbonate plastic, which is strong but highly sensitive to UV radiation. Studies show that constant sun exposure can degrade this material within just 12 to 24 months, especially in hot climates. The protective UV coating applied by manufacturers slowly breaks down, exposing the plastic underneath. Once that happens, oxidation begins. This is what creates that yellow, hazy, and cloudy look. According to automotive safety reports, foggy headlights can reduce light output by up to 80%, which dramatically affects night driving visibility. This is exactly why German car maintenance culture focuses heavily on restoring clarity, rather than replacing parts unnecessarily. Viral hacks that can actually ruin your headlights. Now, this is the part most YouTube videos completely ignore. And honestly, it is where most drivers end up making things worse instead of better. You've probably seen viral hacks using things like lemon and baking soda, Coca-Cola, bug spray, or even WD-40, claiming instant, crystal clear headlights in seconds. And yes, some of these actually appear to work at first. But here's what's really happening behind the scenes. Many of these substances either temporarily fill the scratches or add a shiny, oily layer that makes the surface look clear for a short time. And within hours or days, that temporary clarity fades, and what's left behind is often worse than before. Instead of just talking about viral hacks, I actually tested them on my own cars. Different conditions, different levels of fogginess, and the results were shocking. Almost every hack gave instant results on camera, but most of them failed within hours or days. Here is exactly what happened. Number 5. WD-40 Spray Quick Fix. I tried this hack on my slightly foggy Toyota Corolla, and within seconds, the headlight looked about 60% clearer. It gave that shiny, wet look that looks amazing on camera. But here's the truth. WD-40 doesn't remove oxidation. It just coats the surface with oil. After about 4 to 6 hours, the shine started fading, and by the next day, the fogginess returned almost completely. Worse, it attracted dust and grime, making the headlight look even dirtier than before. Number 4. Bug spray. I applied bug spray on a Honda Civic, and instantly it restored around 70 to 80% clarity, which honestly looked amazing at first. But the reason it works is also why it is dangerous. Bug spray chemically softens the plastic surface, essentially melting a thin layer to make it look smoother. Within 24 hours, the surface started turning uneven and patchy. Over the next few days, the headlight actually looked worse than before. This method doesn't remove oxidation, it destroys the outer layer. Repeated use can permanently damage the headlight, making proper restoration much harder later. Number 3. Coca-Cola method. Cleaning, not restoring. I poured Coca-Cola on a foggy Suzuki Alto, and initially saw about 20 to 30% improvement. The mild acidity helped remove surface grime, giving a slight clarity boost. But here is the issue. It doesn't affect oxidation at all, which is the real cause of fogginess. Within 2 to 3 hours, the sticky sugar residue started attracting dust and dirt. That made the headlight look dull and dirty again very quickly. It gives a short-lived improvement but solves nothing long-term. Number 2. Toothpaste without sealing. I used toothpaste on a Honda City and got about 70% clarity improvement, which looked great initially. But this time I skipped the sealant, and that changed everything. Toothpaste works by removing oxidation, but it also strips away any remaining UV protection. Over the next few days, the fogginess slowly returned. This proves that even the best hack fails if you ignore the final protection step. Number 1. Lemon and baking soda. I tested hack on a Toyota Yaris, and right after scrubbing, shockingly, clarity improved by about 40 to 50%. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, while lemon adds slight acidity. But the problem is inconsistency. The abrasiveness is not controlled, so results vary across the surface. Within 6 to 8 hours, the improvement started fading because there is no polishing refinement or protection. It removes a tiny bit of oxidation, but not enough for lasting results. Now, let's talk about the trick that I tried on my customer's German car. It is simple, accessible, and surprisingly effective when done correctly. But remember, the effectiveness depends entirely on how you apply it. So follow these steps and your foggy headlights will start looking like brand new. Step 1. Deep surface decontamination. German automotive culture is built on precision, and that starts long before any tools touch the surface. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is jumping straight into sanding or polishing without properly cleaning the headlights, which actually traps dirt and causes micro scratches. According to detailing professionals, nearly 40% of poor restoration results come from inadequate surface preparation. To restore your foggy headlights like new, first step is to wash the headlights using a proper pH-balanced car shampoo that removes grime without damaging the plastic. After that, use a clay bar or microfiber decontamination process to extract embedded contaminants that normal washing cannot remove. German technicians treat this stage like preparing a surface for paintwork, ensuring it is completely clean and smooth. This process alone can improve clarity by up to 15 to 20%, even before any correction begins. Step 2. Controlled wet sanding. Wet sanding is where the real transformation begins, but it is also where most DIY attempts go wrong due to excessive force or incorrect grit selection. German methods emphasize a controlled progression system rather than aggressive material removal. Studies in automotive detailing show that improper sanding techniques can permanently damage headlight lenses in over 30% of amateur cases. The correct approach starts with a moderate grit like 1000 or 1500, depending on the severity of oxidation, followed by finer grits such as 2000 and 3000 to refine the surface. Constant lubrication with water is critical as it reduces friction and prevents deep scratches from forming. The sanding motion should be uniform and consistent, typically in straight lines rather than random circles. German professionals often inspect the lens under multiple light angles to ensure the oxidation layer is removed evenly across the entire surface. When done correctly, the headlight will appear uniformly hazy, which is actually a sign that the damaged layer has been successfully removed. This step lays the foundation for restoring full optical clarity. Step 3. Machine polishing. Once sanding is complete, polishing is what brings the headlight back to life, and this is where German precision really shines. Instead of relying on hand polishing, professionals use dual-action polishers to ensure consistent pressure and eliminate the risk of swirl marks. Data from detailing workshops suggests that machine polishing can improve clarity by up to 90% compared to untreated foggy lenses. So first apply a high-quality cutting compound to remove sanding marks, followed by a finer polish like Meguiar's Plast X plastic cleaner to refine the finish and enhance transparency. One of the key principles in German detailing is patience. Rushing this step often leads to uneven results or leftover haze. As the polishing progresses, the transformation becomes clearly visible, with the lens shifting from dull and cloudy to sharp and reflective. By the end of this stage, the headlight should closely resemble its original factory finish, both in appearance and light output. Step 5. Heat activation technique. This is one of those advanced techniques that separates professional results from average DIY work. After applying the protective coating, German detailers often use controlled heat to accelerate the curing process and improve bonding. Research in surface coatings shows that proper curing can increase coating durability by up to 40%, making it significantly more resistant to environmental damage. The key here is controlled heat application, usually with a heat gun or natural sunlight applied evenly across the surface. This allows the sealant to penetrate deeper into the plastic and harden more effectively. Too much heat in one spot can warp the plastic or damage the coating. When done correctly, this technique enhances both the durability and the visual finish, giving the headlight that deep, glossy, like new appearance. It's a small step, but it delivers a noticeable improvement in long-term results. That's all for this video. The next time your headlights start looking dull and tired, don't rush to replace them or waste money on temporary fixes. Use this proven German trick to restore them properly and protect them for the long run. See you in the next video.